So we're still here, right? Okay. This place is prison. Born in your country, but what about history? Yeah, blah blah. Oh man, are you okay? What are you, bitch? Do you need any help? Should I get betrayed again? Code. Calm down. Can't you see that I am perfectly fine? You chill out. No, I'm talking. No, please. Please. What you doing? I'm just reading paycheck. I'm just found it. I'm really bored. Oh, mean paycheck? Okay. Let me say things correctly. You should know. Wait to say F off. Sorry, got heated there. Sorry. Shut up. Okay. I'm so fudging gorgeous. OMG. Oh man, I'm so much time. So you're scared of ghosts. Not really. Sometimes you doubt it. Not real. Mind. You don't even know it's at night, huh? Because 1 week ago at UK's house, hola mi puta. Oh shit. Send help, please. Oh my god. Bad Spanish ahead. Le dere me merito medicinia ya ayuda financiera para lograr tu independence. Okay, I don't know what these other stuff, but it says medicine for probably the blah 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 for fighting in the war to independence. I think that's actually what I really read, but I couldn't read this some parts. Alright, America. I guess I don't know what that state is. Really? Thank you so much, Sir Spain. Spain, you. Congratulations for independence, Mexico. Muchas gracias, señor Inglaterra. Muchas gracias, señor Inglaterra. I hope I said it right. Inglaterra. Revenge is sweet, Span. I didn't get to do his accent only at the end. God. Can you guys? Me too. Well, not in my description because I don't really do much. China, would you mind giving some personal space? Putina. I don't know. Complimented before it kills us. You have lovely eyes. Pardon? Okay, first of all, rude. Hey, fans. I want to tell you something. What's up, Germany? I have a flower for you. Well, thank you. Bless you. That was so cute. Imagine if someone handle you number of comments have lost through your actual life. Thank you for finding this. I've said this for 15 years. I'm not going to go somewhere. To my old friend. There's always something that I always wanted to have it back, and it's the cutest bear that I got from a long time ago. I'll tell you my story if you want to be curious, but nobody wants to hear my goddamn story. My story is just worthless piece of poop. Japan. Oppa. No, it's Oppa. Fine then. Oppa. So, hey Earth. Yeah? I'm actually a star. It doesn't really matter. That doesn't really matter. I just said, oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. I'm just calm. It's invincible. Take my 4+. Wait, is that how it works? I don't know. It doesn't work like that. Because if that works, then you have to take 4 more cards. France, take more 4 cards. Then France, use that on, who's the next one? Okay, Russia. Russia will get 4 cards. And then Russia will land it on whom, I ask? Oh, America. America will get 4. After that, I feel like he also has a special card. So he'll give that special card to Germany. And then they all got 4 cards. That doesn't duplicate the power. That's not how it works. Gym operator. Seat, let's talk about it. My butt still hurts. What the bloody hell? I can't find him anywhere. My signatures. Oh, look. I'm being sucked. No. Did you just say? What did you just say? Philippines sucks. Hey, did you just say? Oh, dang. Are they protecting Philip? No, my country. Our country said. Huh? Wait lang. Ateis! Sunny? Ano yun? Sabihin niyo ulit. Ate, yung gamot sa plato, sa'yo daw ba yun?
Anong plato? Saan? Saan yun? Ano ganon?
Patingin. Sige, wait lang. Kay... ate, sa'yo daw ba kaya ito? Tingnan niya po muna. May 3 pa. 2 pa. Isa na lang. Oh, wait, may isa pa doon.
Hindi.
Hindi? Sige. Hindi pusa niya. Baka kay Junjun. Tanungin kay Dun. There is no God. What did you say, you little poop? Molly, what are you doing in my room? Looking for something? Don't get into the area, you're scared. Like Adrian. Scared. You're always the same. Why do I even have kids? They say. Daddy. Bruh, nah, he did fool. Bad of you to ashamed. I'm dead. I'm ashamed. Die. Who called my little star? Boop. Me? Not really. That. Beep. That's me now. Beep. Beep. Never ask a woman her age, a man his salary. You're scared of what happened in 2019. I'll take a look. Cookie. Die. Oops, I did not mean to say it. Oh, it's real smooth. Can you kids quiet down a bit? I'm really tired today. Yeah, Dad, you meet friends, right? Today, right? Oh, I still got that out. Oops. Honestly, friends is such a creep. Creeper? Oh man. Yeah, this is definitely USSR's stools.